Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11, 10 CrowdStrike Microsoft Crash BSOD blue screen bug. Click Advanced Options. Click Startup Settings. Press F4 key to enable safe mode. Open File Explorer. C Drive, Windows, System 32, Drivers folder. Open CrowdStrike folder, delete system file. Search with 291 system file. If any system file found, simply delete it. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.